Oh, 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 I can't live without you. Oh, 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 I can't breathe without your love.
Hello guys, welcome to
Old Family
TV. Okay guys, so but if today is your first time we come across our YouTube channel, make you no fail to hit the subscribe button. Should in case you don't first subscribe here before, thank you and God bless you. Okay, so guys, quickly right now we want to talk about like 3 to 4 things right now. Yeah, number one of these things we want to talk about. First, why some men they refuse their women waiting go make them come.
Yeah.
Number two, why some men like to treat their women bad by beating and leave her alone for house, just go do your thing. That one. And number three, yeah, why some men no they like to do things with their children. Just be full family man. Okay? Okay. So now, no, that's okay. Number four, if it be that's okay. That's okay for now. Eh? So guys, yeah. Now, first we will first talk about the why some men why some men not listen to their wife.
Your wife.
Okay, request now English. Okay. So me go ask now why for woman to tell your husband say make your husband they give her head na crime. You see I say na crime like the woman too spoil or an abomination something.
No.
Oh.
Okay. For me not be crime.
Okay.
You know, for a man or for where your wife would ask you say, you know, in bed stuff, you know, bed stuff and something we say, a man and wife stuff be that like you know, not be something we say yes, they discuss out to your second party the year and no. Now between the both party, you know, the both couples, then it gets that stuff, a private thing with that, you know. Where your wife tell you say, like for example, when I to the do man and woman stuff, like now they
do man and woman
do
stuff. That's the word.
things together, like you know, for bed stuff. So like the man come quick, like he just run the matter. No, you don't put out with the woman did there like they scream for grand, they like the woman not think they everything for the woman, but this tea she not come. So maybe the woman come tell the man say,
this you do me
I not come see what you if you do more if you take come like maybe the man come the now so this now. No, men, you don't need to vex. One, if you are supposed to be in her shoe, you feel like what she be passed through.
But when I tell you just you tell me one word, say depend.
It depends. One,
or the woman.
Yeah, I come, I'll go there.
Okay.
Yeah. If you did the woman's shoe, you will feel what she feel. I understand, say, yeah, men, you know, and the way they think they like, they day for body, just sweet you, no, you're Russian, you just, you know, go like raising the woman's side, how she will feel. You know, those women, they still want to, you know, satisfy themselves, the way to satisfy yourself. And if your woman come to you say, honey, see you, since you don't run this matter like this, okay, so it is they make me you know, show.
Go fit come.
So what you go fit do me wey be say yes if now you feel say okay you want clean the player though, when you help and clean the player though, or all those kind of stuff. Then she if she ask tell you say okay, only clean player for me. Now only if you clean the player for me, I fit take come. Or use your hand to sweep her for me. If you sweep her well in a way wey be say you touch, someone will be say yes, I fit take come.
Okay.
Then now you to come as woman say okay. Doing those stuff, you know, or something as man, you need to know how neat your woman be for there.
Okay, this one now go to women.
Women.
So that means any woman will go come, they
You
say
know,
they ask that kind of
you
thing.
know,
So
you need
go
to,
get a clean
you need to clean for that place, because not the place will be say yes. Person
Person
just
fit
the
visit like
just
that.
the visit like that. No, because I know a lot of people reason different things from that place. But sometimes, as your wife, I'm talking about your wife.
Now wife matter with the for
I'm talking about your wife, because I'm talking about your wife. If you do it to your wife, like, let her know, say, honey, seal.
I not
Like,
this
maybe the person will be say yes. Now, ordinary water, you run that place before. You need to get some stuff to clean yourself, to make you day neat. You understand? So those are the things we say, keep yourself neat. Women.
Okay, you can fit say if the woman can keep herself neat.
Yeah,
some
it
men
depends
don't
on
go complain.
yeah, some men, it no matter. Maybe if you keep her neat, the man go say okay. You go see clean traditional man. I understand. Say yes, we are Africans. We have this mentality of traditional. Yeah,
We are.
we have this traditional mentality. It is very good to keep your traditional. You work with it, but let me tell you the fact: your wife is your wife. You must do what to make your wife happy. That's just the basic truth. You must do what to make your wife happy. Nobody go do what you go make her happy. And you go feel make her happy. Because the happiness, they your hand. Now for you to just say, only thing I give you. How you want to give her? Now due to what you they do to her.
And number two, if man and woman really they close, like they just stay close, be 5 and 6. Bed matter. He play role there.
Yeah, big role.
Okay.
Bed matter play big role.
Okay.
Why I play big role? Say, a situation whereby maybe like you are your man day now. Like we talked before, okay, aspect of say cleaning plate, we'll put off one side. We'll just go onto bed issue. When you not satisfy your woman for bed, you satisfy yourself. Then that urge you don't come, you don't do okay. That urge for inside her. Maybe say she need to bring her out. A sweetness. That sweetness need to come out from inside her. But if you don't come out, you just run your own day side there, you go to gather. So
Good.
you know go tell you. You know go tell you, but that anger she will keep her inside her. She go to use it and they follow you.
It has good again.
Small anything you just do as she go just begin to frown. Why anything not reach quite, she go just speak out. Why? Because not be say maybe she be
that kind of person.
No.
Like maybe if to say sorry on it, if you really study your woman to know what they make her, maybe that's not going to take 3 minutes. Not reach 2
minutes. You just make before you satisfy yourself. Before you satisfy yourself, make sure you satisfy your woman. It's very important. If you satisfy your woman, then she can go to any length you want.
To make sure say you be okay like her too.
But first make her be okay. That's the key.
Yeah, but remember somebody say, they feel whole lamb. That one
brother. Yeah. That one of the things.
I
understand, I can't not feel say okay. Might give example like this time, but that thing has something to be say yes. No, we feel Olam. Back in those days, I remember then we be say yes, you not feel Olam. Like not be say you not feel Olam. Now the way the thing take you for body, like that's anxiety. See you see him. Oh God, you won't just finish and no. If you're a man, like it's just the feel no before 3 minutes, you just fall out. Maybe your wife or your girlfriend now 3 minutes, 20 seconds, you come with 3 minutes. So you just come 20 seconds we take the man for how she go 3 years wrong. You don't first time. Come that 20 seconds now. I want just spoil everything. So what you go do? Try all yourself, resist yourself. If you see how you don't come, when you do that kind of stuff, you will see how your mood will change. Your mood will change. You come like you fast a little bit, then resist back.
Like how you did drive on me.
Like you go back a little bit, you stop.
That teacher, when I listen.
Like you stop.
When
you stop, that urge, everything will go back again. They believe me, you make your wife or your girlfriend. I'm not talking about clean up
Wife.
plates now.
They talk
No,
normal
I'm talking
satisfaction.
about general to satisfy your woman. I'm not talking about cleaning up the
Need to.
plates.
It is very
you know,
important.
very, very important. Because
If you want me
when you
house,
satisfy your woman, when
like
you
they
satisfy her,
happy.
believe me, the smile way go dey come out. She know we just dey. That is it. She go just sit there, just dey meditate. Whether she dey meditate, she no dey meditate. Say she dey meditate with you give her.
Sometimes
He
go
go
just
sick
dey
inside her head.
Go just dey.
For 2 weeks, even though you no go meet her again, but you just meet her
bother.
and you just sit down, they peck her, even though you not run anything. But if she dey think about the last one you guys did, believe me,
You go see the belly full.
she will have that, my man is the best. That's what she will tell. It's her mind, it will sweet her. But when you just run your issue,
You rest.
you just, they give her ear talk put. May explain to you her own. You just run, you just sleep. You just stand up, come out again. Anytime you water, no be talk.
Kwata go the day. Anytime you water,
if you don't water, you just come out. Sometimes you go say, you
give
just
excuse.
go say, I'm not fit. Why? Because if any woman don't tell you, I'm not fit, calculate to your own self.
Exactly. If any woman don't,
A
you have.
woman don't tell you, say, you just call and say, I'm not
the two
fit.
day- and
Call her
the two
today, I'm
people
not
they
fit.
general
Call her
like
tomorrow,
so.
I'm not fit.
Something
My
is
brother,
wrong somewhere.
reason something is wrong, so you're not doing something right.
Something is not right
Something is
somewhere.
not right somewhere. So make sure you know wetin dey make her dey okay. If na Eji won't give am, if na Angie won't give
If you
am,
know if you still give it, give
No,
her.
I'm just giving
example.
instance.
Yeah, okay then. Okay then.
I'm giving instance. Anything say yes to, like I just people say, you need to learn. You need to learn. We need to learn. Marriage is, you are in a school. You need to learn.
If you really want to keep
If you
marriage,
won't keep marriage, learn. Not be say you just marry, just this summer, no. You need to learn about your marriage, learn how to treat your wife, learn how to treat your kids, learn how to take yourself along to the family. You need to learn those things, because if you don't learn, you just stay inside there. The office say you don't marry. Before you go know, small thing will feel your cost score. Waiting no go reach, your other 2 minutes you go your bust. Everywhere will bust under 2 minutes. But where that kind of no go happen, learn. When you learn, you will feel the handle things. Any man that loves you can do anything that will please you.
for you.
Man that loves you will please you with anything. It doesn't matter. Your mama not there, your papa not there, your sister not there. Now your privacy. It's your home. She's your wife. I'm talking about the married man. I'm not talking about the side chick, no girlfriend. No.
Okay.
But girlfriend, make sure if you now be boyfriend and girlfriend, try. Resist yourself a bit. Not just try resist yourself a bit.
But not be sickness.
No, not be sickness. No, that's it. It's just
Over
a sweet
sweetness.
time. Over sweet time. No feel. See me. Heaven.
You want to add your own joy.
Every 2 minutes, everywhere boss bar, Yeah. So you need to.
Go.
Yeah, the matter they be saying, we need to make everywhere just this spicy, but not the verse, not the point, but we need to teach ourselves these things, These things they really cause.
Okay, number 2 just now.
Will be problem for some homes. You know what to make a woman the vessel. Please join.
That one is number 1.
That one is number 1 thing for marriage. If
you
your
go
marriage
work,
won't stand,
Not there.
hold that place. They say
Some
you
people
cook
go say it
semo,
no matter.
you cook this one.
No.
Because I treat her good. Because you give her what she wants.
No money. Some
No
people
money.
say na food, you need to clean, you need to this.
Nah,
you need
those
to
are
that.
not count.
All
If you
those
just
are not
come now,
fair.
you meet your ass dirty tired. You not go worry because you know say she go do am. But
See her alone.
see her
Belle
alone,
go
your
just-
belly yours is sweet. Okay, your wife make everywhere neat. The full house did it, but she's not happy inside. But you go
You
come
wanna
inside.
dey go-
Now the carry head, they will carry for different place. You get a be now. You understand? So that's just the issue. Men, please
Concentrate.
concentrate. Know what
Look
your
inside
woman
your,
wants.
the eye of
Let
your wife.
they know that they listen to these women. It's very important. Listen to the way they call. When they call, listen to them.
Having time for your
Have
kids.
time for your
Have
kids,
time
because
for your
sometimes
wife.
some men feel too busy. Feel I'm too busy, I don't have time. You go out. Nobody will know the work. You not see me just work from morning till night. We both create the job safe. You know, not responsible with some of them. You get one man, one of our friends for this our area here. 5 children and this man gets. This man they go Holland every day. They drive go Holland with the work. Every day. And this man they drive, they come out. They come out. You see, they get time for a family.
Man can't get time for a family.
That man ain't get time. Close friend.
I'll soon if we go eat for their house.
That's what we'll be.
We need to take appointment. Everybody need to make party. We bring
that guy get time for his wife, the children, everybody. Now, okay, if you can't see that man now, they play with the children. You can't tell me that man on the walk. Yeah, it does work.
Working, of course.
That man work.
If you can't go see carry children, go work.
That man take the children out, bring them in. You know,
wife
they create time for themselves. But we African, we find it we are too busy.
No, pompous on it. I think big.
Busy. Like they
some
raise
of them
children
not
for
being busy, but some of them just like that.
They feel too busy. Like they feel too busy. They don't stay at home. Like my friend is here. Make your woman your best friend. Like you going out finding they look for friend. No. Make your wife, make your kids, your family your best of friend. You know. And not somebody you not get friend. Don't get me wrong. But your first friend let it be your wife. Your best friend let it be your wife. You know. It's very important. You understand?
Okay, which one?
So aspect of that about the best stuff. Now that angle, now I need to walk in. That angle, now be angle where they make
the home. If it goes strong or not go strong,
you know. Now go fit tell me now, say now, yeah, a woman they play. Now don't play better. Play in the night. They break now. You can't tell me you can't frown. What you want frown for? You know go come you can't jump for your back, but they can't me go kitchen. Because the play is just like wow. So
for the children also.
Everybody.
For the wife first anyway.
Everybody. Because with the wife they okay, everybody don't soft for the ass. But with the wife not they okay, forget it, please. I'm gonna try listen to a woman, pay attention to them. They be like baby. They be like baby. Your wife be like baby. So you are the one to bring them close. Okay, talk to me. What is it? What is it that you are lacking? Let me know. Then she will open up. Then you go, okay, let me dance to your tune. The day you dance to her tune,
you worship it.
My brother, forget to. I know you come to say, my wife, if you cook better for you, chop your body, you see how this body way festive. Oh, you can't open. You can't get fed down.
When I saw me to do this morning. Good make I ask, and as me I do you.
My people, not the matter. You understand?
Okay, what of beating woman?
No.
Come on.
No. You don't beat ladies. Why? Why you go beat them? You don't deserve those things now. They are queen. You treat them like one. They are egg. You hold them with care. They not fall. They fall, they don't fall. Come on, No. You know, ladies, they quit vex. The way they vex, they hard before they feel it. They won't forgive. You know, they quit vex. It's only they can't. They can't. And the way it go bust under 2 minutes, everywhere go bust. Forget that thing. You come the beg and she go say no. You don't to be a lot. So beating your woman like sin and baby. No. No. It doesn't make no sense. Why you okay? What you call okay?
So see bitter finish.
Why you
the single like that? I don't know. I don't know how.
I can't see the sweet now.
I don't even know.
No, bed of a team, man. Now two body, the two they connect. Now connection.
And
they connect. Before now ratio they say that one body don't they charge, you body don't they charge. Now connection.
Everybody just two.
You know, you need to connect. Everyone need to like that vibration need to do that place. When you don't beat and finish, you can't use one and drag her. What do you enjoy there? You the man can enjoy, but she herself, she feel nothing. You are adding pains to her pains. You beat her, you don't make her come, she don't have rest of mind. Then any single thought just enter her mind.
Was.
My brother, if he bust you yourself and you go begin begging, dance, they beg, she they meditate. That's how they come. That's how you they beat me. That's how I'm not getting.
Yeah, only those things, not true to
she
get
go dey
effect.
calculate a lot
I
of
know.
things. Just say no, I don't want because you don't give me the joy I want from you.
Because if you're not happy, there is no way you can do
way.
that. No, you not feel do that thing.
When there's no happiness inside.
You not feel.
Dead
That's why.
stuff.
Only that's why me I always they
work.
use the word like everybody get it when they take day now. That's why me first lady me they use the word say only one thing when me see say me no fit forgive. One thing when me no fit forgive. Now it be cheating. You know why I tell you say I no fit forgive cheating? You know why? Because it go dey my head.
I don't know, man.
It go dey my head and I no go fit see myself do anything like bed with you. Even if I want try to, I don't think I can do it.
You know, let me say I don't.
You understand?
Because you get that.
I go just the reason wetin I know this see for my eye. I mean, it happened, right? But for me to feel confirm,
because you go to meditate onto your own
get
self.
get now.
Like
So
you go
I
to think
cannot be
they
flow.
meditate.
I not feel flow with you. Not
Okay,
saying.
how the person they feel when you dey do things with them.
How now
How you
do?
want to take, all those things.
He
Then go the reason now. You will be the man, you know go reason now. They think past you, they fast past you. So in that time, please, man, with God, wanna be queen, wanna be egg, wanna be treasure. We adore now more. The one thing we demand from you guys, we don't need money from now. We don't need money from one at all. We don't need those things. All we need, we not make we eye go outside. How? Look good for your man. Smell good for your man. Make attract your husband. Look sexy for him. Come see your go carry. No. Yeah, even though now your t-shirt you wear, like your hose, like your hose, your t-shirt, they may tight your body. Let her tight your body. Be say when your man will come, will say, "Wow." You go to see you. They don't do anything, but you hungry. You go to hungry. Like all those things, ladies, please. Some ladies will just born finish. I don't born, concern me. You begin to tear up. That's one thing I hate most. The tear up for chest. For which reason? No. So you kill that urge. So wake my urge back. Look sexy. Not makeup. You not rub makeup. If you rub makeup, you fake up. Like
You feel still rub if you want.
no, you not rub makeup. You can go anywhere.
I know, but if you want,
Not rub.
sometimes I feel put makeup.
Unless you won't do that video.
Fine, I don't really do love it at the makeup,
Yeah, so?
but then maybe I go somewhere like.
If
to
that one,
lay
if you
down.
come, I will tell you, say, when you date us, me, I dey
Low.
come from outside.
Of course,
I need to come meet all your body, setting. Not by just conceal wrapper for your chest.
No, who they?
Only waiting. I be my
Who
please
dey
sleep
even
here
do that
or
one?
wrapper the be plaka plaka. Oh,
Nobody dey do
waiting.
that.
Those only the.
I'm not sure say
So what I try to be saying, look sexy for your man, ladies, and smell good. It's very important. Smell good. And number 2 again, before now they go bed for night, when they brush.
Hey.
It's very important. Some men we just did not brush with a brush come for hours for money, now they'll just sleep again.
Of course, they can say woman general.
They know they work like that. Make sure you brush 2-3 times a day. If you don't brush 3 times, make it twice a
Twice
day.
is fine. Twice is also fine.
Make it twice a day.
morning.
Let it be constant.
Of course.
Morning, night. Let it be top for in the morning, stroke in the afternoon. When you come eat for evening, you come inside and go to sleep. When you go face your woman, they sleep. When you go, woman will say, what's happening?
But maybe some people know they know each other now, but we did very important.
Someday we they owe. But then they find
They
it
need to
difficult
face each
rush.
other, they
Sleep.
breathe.
We breathe together. So all those things, please. I need to do all those things. Very important. Very important.
Okay,
so all those
aspect of-
small things.
Aspect of helping your wife.
Yeah, me I don't count those one reach anything. Help your woman. Why you not go help her before? Not slave. She's not a slave.
Of course not.
Because the both of them come to become one. So anything you do, she do. Anything she do, you do. You're not compulsory, you must call her, say, come do this thing. No. You must do it yourself. Marriage is 50-50. And the love is just like, maybe mine is 80, our man feel be 20. But it doesn't count. But let your love.
Why you can't carry my own go for 20 like that?
Yeah,
Why you call low?
I'm not low. That
You
one
love
missing
too
at 20.
much.
Now 20, missing at that 20.
Yeah,
no.
your own 80. You feel say her own 50.
My own,
Please,
no, my own 80.
You feel say my own 50.
100, can be one with 130.
The me can get how many percent?
You get 20, we get it.
Don't they lie.
So, my brother and sisters, now the issue be that thing. You know, love, love that something will be very sweet and understandable when you understand each other. You understand? So, love everything. I'll tell ladies out there, when they, you know, try to get somebody, know your man, we will love you. Because when he love you, you know lack at all. You will lack nothing. Neither you enjoy it to the end. You enjoy it to the end. So men, please, I beg you guys out there.
Real men, no. This message is for real men, no.
I know some guys will come here. Some guys will come down here. See, guys, but I'm just sending this message out to those people that know what I'm talking about. To those people that want to learn. To those people that want to pick something from this message. This message is not for everybody, but for few that will understand what's the meaning of love. What is the meaning of that word L-O-V-E? Just 4-letter word, but it's very heavy. Can you keep it? Can you abide to it? If they tell you the meaning of each word, each letters, the meaning of those letters, each, what do they mean? Then you will know, say, yes, you know, go treat your woman bad. You will cherish her to the end. So try, go control that word love. That 4-letter word, each of the letters, what do they mean? Then when you see your woman, you respect her to the end. So please, men, respect woman. Try listen to your woman. And when your woman not do okay for bedside, try and make her know say, okay, honey, I don't try like this, I don't work. Tell me what you know, say yes, you go feel make you do okay. Make I do. Somebody come for live show one day. They say this thing never done before. The woman make her do one and start her. The man die. He will say, someone will say, hey, any man will do that thing. The man will just pour, he go down so bad. Which one be bad luck, Africa? Which one be bad luck? Don't forget those things.
But when they give us medicine.
Forget those things. Doctors, a white man does it. Now go to Africa now. It don't be normal thing.
That's it.
It don't come turn normal. They're not even there. It can't be even person they run out with them.
So they do enough for that.
You just can't turn. Like I don't understand Africa. You enter Africa, they can't take her, they can't spoil, and I can't make everybody now. You just can't see the things okay. But the real people that understand the meaning of that is love. That thing is love.
Yeah, you need to
not be saying
don't fake it.
No, that thing is love. When you love your partner,
now if you go to that extent,
you go to that extent to make her
it's hard anyway. It's hard anyway
because you want to bring her mind down. Okay, so please, guys, I beg you guys, know what your woman wants and make her feel good.
Yeah,
I beg you all.
Okay.
So aspect of beating your woman, please. Me I know the beat woman. But me, I can't raise my hand on her. I cannot touch this queen, you know. Raising my hand on her is the last, you know. But I can't raise my hand to hit her. No, I won't do that. It won't be the last thing I will do on earth to raise my hands on her. You understand? So men don't beat their wife. You know, they don't beat their wife.
They take care of their wife. They assist them. Assist your wife, not make you less of a man. Not make you say, now ignorant
that
man.
respect.
I go say,
she go give that respect.
Ignorant man, I go say, oh, now you they do this one. My dear, you need to do it because that is your.
So guys,
right okay.
We will try. We will just end the topic.
Okay, thank you all.
Please, guys, please. Okay, look on try. Please, when I know what a woman wants. And I love one guy we call today with courage. I just talk him out.
Oh, that guy.
That woman not there happy with me.
Yes.
My brother, I won't just tell you, I won't send this message to you.
You know they go see the
Yeah,
video. Anyhow,
definitely you will see. I won't send this message to you. If a person will be see yesterday, quit the calm. Just try and know what will make a woman be okay. That's the best way.
Okay, guys, thank you all so much for being here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. To watch more of our videos, we are Ogi family. This Ogi, and that videos for them Ogi. So we love you all. Thank you guys for being supportive. Share our videos and introduce your friends to this channel. You're gonna love it. Okay, we haven't started yet. Okay, so you're gonna see more of us, of our videos. Yeah. Okay, love you all. Stay blessed. And then bye.
I can't breathe without your love.